Thanks for spending your time with us to talk about light therapy today. If you're new and just learning about light therapy, make sure to subscribe below. One of the things I'm most excited to talk to you about is how you can use light to help your animal. Since animals can't speak to us as we speak to each other, we have to become great observers. Animals can teach us a lot, but we have to pay attention and observe their actions, reactions, and releases. Even very subtle body language can be very telling, such as a soft eye, their ear set, or even the flick of a tail. And it's not just their body language, it's what their physical body is showing you too. Is their hair or fur dry or brittle? Can they stand square, or do they need to bring one leg forward to help with a shoulder issue? Or do they need to move one hip forward and maybe even under to help support hip and hind end stuff? What signs of discomfort are they showing? When you develop the ability to see these details, you can be a better advocate for your pet. You can support them better, which in turn will increase their vitality. And not only that, but the relationship that you have with your animal will be even closer. When applying light, it's very common to feel the animal shift, release stress, and become quiet. This can be very rewarding as you observe your animal start to shift and come to you for light. At times it can be a very meditative and serene feeling. So what should you look for while applying light? Well, you'll start to notice that a lot of animals, their eyes will get soft. Dogs will start to squint their eyes really close together and then release and then squint again, kind of like this. They will yawn, sigh deeply, stretch, and have these really big swallows if you're paying attention. You might also notice burping, gas, and shifts in their bathroom visits. You also have similar releases when you're using light. If you haven't noticed yet, that's not uncommon, but what is great is to have somebody else watch you do it, and then they can let you know, oh, you sighed really deep there, or you blinked 3 or 4 times, or you had this really big swallow. Comment below if you're already using light on your pet. Tell us about the releases that you're seeing. Light is energy in the form of photons, and the animals are very sensitive creatures and can feel that energy. So be gentle when you're first introducing the light to your animal. Let them see it, let them smell it, and maybe you start to gently pet them with it. Once they know that light helps them, they're gonna love it. Light is another avenue over pain relievers, which can be stressful and difficult to administer. Light therapy decreases pain and inflammation naturally. It's also incredible how quickly you can see shifts and changes in your animal, sometimes in hours or even minutes. Light therapy gives you the assurance that you're promoting healing for a family member without hurting them. Light therapy is simple and effective for your animal, and it can help you in heightened and stressful situations, such as a horse colicking or a bad wound. Applying light allows you to take action and do something while the veterinarian is on their way or while you're on the way to the veterinarian. It's also very beneficial after a major injury or a surgery. You can assist your animal right at home after a spay or neuter surgery or after a ligament or tendon injury, such as an ACL. Many animals love their light sessions, but if they start to walk away, they're done. Just another body language to observe. How does it work? Well, just like it works on humans. Medical grade light therapy ignites a chemical process in the body called photobiomodulation. It increases circulation and decreases inflammation. All you have to do is ignite it with therapeutic light. And red light activates acupuncture points. Acupuncture for your pet can support things like respiratory problems for your pug or kidney issues for your cat. For more on that, check out our PBM and pain relievers video or Your Body Has Buttons video, referencing photopuncture. While light therapy can be a valuable tool for supporting your health, it should not replace professional, medical, or veterinarian advice. Please consult a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment. We understand what it's like to feel powerless to support your pets. When you learn how to use light, it's another incredible, powerful tool to use for promoting healing within your pet's body. If you're enjoying this content and you want to see more, make sure to subscribe as we have more videos coming your way.